Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X5, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and you'll see the toggle right over here. And before you tap on it to toggle it on, you actually want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize how it works. So we can start off with the exceptions right here, which you have two different ones. You have for calls and messages. Now I'll go over only calls because the messages has just the first option. So from here, allow calls or messages from, and you have different options. You have anyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or none. Choose whichever one you want. There is also a little caveat with the calls. If you choose to go with none, you can see that you have still the option allow repeated callers. This will allow someone to still be able to reach you no matter what the setting right here is. So right now in this circumstance they shouldn't be able to reach us, but if this is enabled and they call twice within a 15-minute period, you will be notified that they're trying to reach you. So it's a good option to have for emergency situations. When someone really needs to get a hold of you, they will be able to do that with this option right here. And then going back, like I said, messages has basically the same options as the first one, so allow from anyone, contacts, third contacts, and no one. Then you also have a schedule. So you have duration, which is gives you a panel right here that you can set to either one of these. So I would advise to go for ask every time, and when you now pull it down and enable it, it will bring up that panel and ask you every time if you want to turn it on until you turn it off yourself, or for a specific amount of time. So you can choose whichever one, add time if you wish to. So just a nice way to customize it on the fly. And then also you have a schedule below that, turn on automatically, which you can basically set it up to be turned on automatically. Now you can create your own, name it whatever you want. And from here, choose the days of the week that you want it to work in, then start time and end time. You also have a option right here that alarm can override end time. So basically right now if the end time is at 7 in the morning and you have a alarm clock set for 6, it will turn off the do not disturb mode at 6 in the morning instead of the 7. And from there, once it's set up, you can simply leave it and it will be turning on automatically whenever it needs to, based on the settings that we have chosen. And from that, the only thing that you have left is the sound and vibration and notifications, which just gives you options if you can hear them or see the notifications and hear the notifications. So you can select however you want it to work. From there, you can simply leave it, and if it's set to automatic, well then it will be automatically turning on and off. And if you want to turn it on yourself, you can simply tap on it and choose the time or until you turn it off. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.